Hello everyone, this is Sabita Sunkara and welcome to our Enterprise Data Engineer interview series. So let's understand data engineering with a real production scenario. Imagine you are working for a global retail company like Amazon, Walmart or Flipkart. So every second million of transactions are generated from stores, websites, mobile apps, ERP systems, CRM systems, um, different third party APIs, right? So, however, all this data comes in different formats such as CSV, JSON, XML, database tables, and streaming events. So, the business needs real time dashboards, inventory updates, fraud detections, and demand forecasting and AI model. So, if this raw data is not collected, cleaned, transformed, and stored properly, business decisions become inaccurate. So, this is exactly where a data engineer comes into the picture. So, a data engineer builds reliable data pipelines that collect data from multiple sources, process it efficiently, and deliver trusted data for analytics and business reporting. So, let's look at the high level enterprise data engineering architecture. So, everything starts with multiple data sources such as ERP systems or CRM applications or databases or APIs or files or and cloud applications. So, the next layer is data ingestion. So, where data is collected using batch processing, streaming platforms, APIs, or change data captures. That is, we call CDC. So, the processing layer transforms the raw data by removing duplicates, validating records, applying business rules, and standardizing formats using technologies like Spark, Databricks, Azure Data Factory, or SQL. So, after processing, data is stored in different layers such as bronze for raw data, silver for clean data, and gold for business ready data. So, finally, the consumption layer serves data to dashboards, reporting tools, machine learning models, and operational applications. Throughout this architecture, security governance, metadata, monitoring, and orchestration ensure scalability and reliability. Now, let's understand how data flows through the enterprise. The journey starts when data arrives from different business systems. So, the ingestion layer captures this data using batch jobs, streaming platforms, APIs, or CDC mechanisms. Next comes the transformation stage, where the data is cleaned, standardized, validated, enriched, and transformed into meaningful business information. So, the process data is the stored in bronze, silver, and gold layers with a data lake or data warehouse. So, business users consume this trusted data through Power BI, Tableau, reporting tools, SQL queries, and machine learning models. So, finally, this data helps organizations make better decisions, improve customer experience, reduce risks, and drive business growth. So, the data engineer is responsible for ensuring this entire pipeline runs smoothly from source to destination. Then, building pipeline is only one part of data engineer's job. Production systems requires continuous monitoring. So, we have to monitor pipeline execution, job failures, processing time, data freshness, throughput, and latency. So, data quality checks verify completeness, uniqueness, consistency, validity, and timeliness. If any pipeline fails or data quality drops below expectations, then automated alerts notify the engineering team immediately. Best practices include implementing retry mechanisms, maintaining audit logs, monitoring infrastructure, documenting metadata, and continuously optimizing pipeline performance and cloud costs. A successful data engineer focuses not only on building pipeline but also on making them reliable, observable, secure, and scalable. So, now let's answer this interview question. What is data engineering? Then simply we have to say data engineering is the discipline of designing, developing and maintaining scalable data pipelines and infrastructure that collect, process and transforms and deliver high quality data for analytics, reporting, machine learning and business applications. In an enterprise environment, my responsibility is to build reliable end to end data pipeline starting from multiple data sources, performing ingestion, validation, transformation, and storage, and finally delivering trusted data to business users. So, I focus on scalability, performance, reliability, automation, security, monitoring, and data quality. So I work with technologies such as Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Spark, Snowflake, SQL, Delta Lake, Python, Airflow, and CI/CD to build production-ready data solutions. So the ultimate goal of data engineer is to ensure the right data reaches the right people at the right time so that organizations can make informed business decisions. That's all for what is data engineering. In the next episode, we can continue answer another important interview question, that is how would you design an enterprise data pipeline. We will again cover it using production scenario and enterprise architecture, also end to end data flow, then monitoring and best practices and interview answer. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and follow the series to master enterprise data engineering interviews from fundamentals to advanced production scenarios. Thank you.